Basically, the junction box that I had everything in just was not big enough. So I went through and I put it on a piece of plywood just to try to get everything together, trying to alleviate the space problem. I'm going to cover that with a piece of plexiglass, and I ran a button for an e-stop. Hang on, let me show you. So now I have it right here. I can turn it on from the front. You know, we're getting there. It's just adding the fourth axis kind of threw a little wrench into everything, but we're making some progress. I got to run a power cord now. I'm going to run it through the ceiling and drop it down to the machine. That way it's constantly plugged in, so I don't have to keep, you know, plugging and unplugging this thing. The lathe I got powered in finally, but this I haven't. So that's where I'm at. Hope everybody's doing good, and have a very Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy New Year. Catch you guys later.